So it's finally quiz session again, and the content of this quiz will be vocabularies from lesson 32. So let's begin, guys. The first question we have here, what is bed in Chinese? We have A, 错, B, 关, C, 开, and D, 坏. So I want you guys to try to guess which one of them is correct here. So 做 is wrong, 关 is closed, 开 is open, and 坏 is bad. So the right answer for this question is D, 坏. Moving on to the next question. What is right in Chinese? So we have A, 好, B, 对, C, 句, and D, 回. So which one do you think is the right answer? So 好 is good, 对 is right, 去 is go, and 回 is return. So right in Chinese is B, 对, 对. The next one here, what is open in Chinese? We have A, 开, B, 坏, C, 回, and D, 去. So please try to guess first. Kai here is open, and 坏 is bad, 回 is return, and 去 is go. Open in Chinese is A, 开, 开. The next one here, what is good in Chinese? So we have A, 关, B, 好, C, 错, and D, 对. So I will give you some time to think. So 关 is close, 好 is good, 错 is wrong, and 对 is right. Good in Chinese is B, 好, 好. Moving on to the next question. What is close in Chinese? We have A, 坏, B, 去, C, 关, and D, 好. So, which one of them do you think is correct here? So, 坏 is bad, 去 is good, 关 is close, and 好 is good. Close in Chinese is C, 关, 关. The next one here, what is wrong in Chinese? So we have A, 对, B, 回, C, 开, and D, 错. So I want you guys to try to guess. So 对 is right, 回 is return, 开 is open, and 错 is wrong. So the correct answer for this question is D, 错, 错. Moving on to the next question, what is go in Chinese? So we have A, 好, B, 去, C, 做, and D, 对. So which one of them is the right answer here? So Hao is good, Chu is good, Zuo is wrong, and Dui is right. So the correct answer for this question is B, Chu, Chu. The next one here, what is written in Chinese? So you have A, Hui, B, Dui, C, Huai, and D, Guan. So I will give you some time to think and guess. So Hui is written, Dui is right, Huai is bad, and Guan is close. So return in Chinese is A, Hui, Hui. So actually that's all for today's quiz. That was fun, right? Thank you so much for watching my video, and I do hope that I will see you guys again on our next lesson. See you!